Yung power rule of integration. So, dito muna tayo mag-concentrate, no? So, ginagamit yung given, yung u, then kukunin natin yung derivative ng u. So, pag nakuha mo na yon using the formula, so, u raised to 7 over 7 plus c. So, ginawa mo yung exponent is inilabas mo. So, magiging 1 over 7 plus yung u. And then, yun na yun yung given. So, yun na yun. Power rule ng integration. So, kaya sa differential calculus, ito yung pinaka-basic rule of integration. Kasi sa differential calculus is yung power rule of differentiation. Ito, power rule of integration. So, mamaya natin tutuloy. Masaya to. At least, nawa-warm up tayo for mathematics interlude ngayong araw na to. So, yun lang po.